1 and 2, 3 to the left, 4, 5, 6, step out, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, head back, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, 1 and 2, 3 to the left, 4, 5, out, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, head back, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. Make sure you join me every Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for my virtual class. I'll see y'all Thursday.